Guys, good afternoon for today's video. We are here in Rowens, Talisay guys, big mansion ni guys sa Talisay City. Yes, mga Ledesma pamilya ni guys. Old house ni guys, antique ni house. Ginbat ni museum guys. So, katawag ni guys ang concept, ang sinire ni guys. Sinda ni isang mga Ledesma sa una guys. Katawag ni isang place. Kung gusto mo bisita, you can go visit here in Rowens in Talisay City. See you next video. Sa Talisay, sa Rowens Mansion. Thank you for watching. The engraved name of the owner, the Rowens of the Mansion of Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson, is the engraved history guys. You can see this. Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers. This is the most beautiful mansion here in Talisay City, created by best engineer, and make it this antique house. Rowens is called Rowens Mansion here in Talisay City. You want to visit here, just travel almost 5 km from Bacolod City after you can see this beautiful mansion here in Talisay City. Water, spring water. Don't see here.
Teko lang.
The pictures na ba?
Iyan ko lang. Teko up natin.
Guys, kung gusto nyo maglago-lago guys sa Rowens, you can visit 5 kilometers from Bacolod to Talisay guys. Explore guys sa beautiful garden and landscaping of this place. You can see the overall location of the Rowens Mansion. This is the antique house of Ledesma family. Beautiful structures and beautiful architect. Guys, katawag sang paghimo sang atik-atik guys. The sculpture. Kaya guys, katawag mo guys ang place guys. Kung gusto mo mansyal, please visit her in Talisay City. See you next video. We go inside the mansion of Ledesma family. You see the beautiful inside the mansion. You can see the structures of old house. And guys, muna siya guys, kung gusto nyo maglagaw, kadakon isang mansion guys, kung nyo daanan nga balay, kung buat ni tourist destination di guys sa Bacolod sa Talisay, you can visit here the historical building of the Ledesma family here in Talisay City. Thank you very much. Exploring the all location of this place, and you can see the function hall of this beautiful place here in Bacolod City. Mariano Ledesma is the owner of this antique house. You can see the wishing well, the beautiful garden, everything you can see here. You can wish wishing well, yes, or have water. And then this function hall, you can order if you want meal or lunch here in function hall of Ledesma family in here in Talisay City, the Rowens Mansion. Thank you for watching. Guys, katawag ni guys ang Rowens. This is the historic owner of this place, Mr. Ledesma and his family. The historical building now is a tourist destination here in Negros Occidental. We can see the beautiful scenery of this old house. If you want to visit here, just go in Talisay City 5 kilometers away from Bacolod City. And then you keep right and then right, and then you can see the main gate of the Rowens Mansion. Guys, exploring tuloy sa Rowens Mansion guys, together with my brother and his family and my mother, my daughter. Visit kami di sa Rowens Talisay guys. Exploring tuloy sa buong libot-libot. Tali guys, okay, share ito naman karoon sa inyong video di guys. Katawa mo isang place di guys. This is the old house of Ledesma family here in Talisay City, Bacolod. Sakop pa isang Talisay guys. Katawa mo guys ang view guys. Gusto nyo maglagaw-lagaw di. It's a beautiful place you can see here in Negros Occidental. Thank you for watching.